Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish Cuisine. Last weekend I made something I've had my eye on for a long time. Egg and cheese toaster tarts or scrambled egg in puff pastry. Was it good? It was scrambled eggs in puff pastry with cheese. Of course it was good. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So for this recipe, first we need to make scrambled eggs, and I already shared my scrambled egg recipe and I will leave the link down below for you guys. So what I did, I just cooked the best scrambled egg and put it on the side and let them cool completely. So first roll out your puff pastry sheet. I'm using puff pastry today, but you can use any pie crust or crust recipe and just roll it out and then flatten it down. And then I cut my puff pastry sheet into 3 big rectangles, and then I cut it in the middle to get 6 small rectangles. So if you are using Pepperidge Farm puff pastry sheets, you will get 6 small rectangles from one sheet. Then put all 3 of your small rectangles onto baking sheet, which is lined with parchment paper. Now fill up your puff pastry with the scrambled eggs which we just made, and then top them off with shredded cheddar cheese. Now just take an egg wash and with the help of pastry brush, just put it on the edges of the puff pastry sheet. This is just a beaten egg with a tablespoon of water. So just cover the edges and then take the other part of puff pastry sheet and put it on top of the egg mixture. Now repeat the same process, brush the rectangles with the egg wash and put the remaining rectangles on top of it. Now crimp the edges together with the help of fork to seal the edges down. Now brush the top of each tart with the help of egg wash, which you just used for the edges as well. Now bake them on 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden and crispy from top. Inside this take on toaster tarts is a savory combination of eggs and cheese. The filling can be really whatever you want. Add vegetables, change the cheese, go vegetarian, whatever sounds good or is in your fridge. Then serve it with fruit and a cup of tea or coffee. You have got your weekend breakfast. But don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family, and you can click on the links to check my previous videos.